Quantum entanglement. How can the state of one particle be affected by the state of another particle over the greatest distances instantaneously? Climate change. The Earth is warming up, yet there's still snow. But the greatest question of all, how does a snowblower's transmission work? But I need to warn you, as long as this box remains sealed, away from human eyes and understanding, the magic of fairy dust, unicorn poop, and those cute balls of twine kittens play with, which operates within, will remain intact. But once this is open, the magic will dissipate and all that will remain will be mechanics and technology. The mystery of speed and forward and reverse gearage will be answered as you grasp just how brilliantly simple this machine really is. Once you start the engine, the aluminum drive wheel starts spinning. Engaging the drive lever pulls the cable which advances the drive wheel onto this drive disc, which in turn powers the wheels. Now, as you change gears, the drive disc moves to different tracks across the surface of the drive wheel, which changes the, let's call it, the gear ratio. For example, when the much smaller disc is rolling along the outermost track of the wheel, it needs to rotate much faster to account for the longer distance it needs to travel than if it was in a shorter inner orbit of the drive wheel. But how does reverse work? You shift the drive disc to the other side of the wheel, which naturally makes the disc spin in the opposite direction. Simple, effective, and brilliant. As for the auger drive, it's this pulley and belt here. Pull the auger lever and it moves this pulley tighter with the belt, which is powered by the engine. Now we understand, and the magic is lost. We're smarter, yet poorer for it. I did try to warn you. Goodbye.